I've been hearing a lot about investment and I really want to invest, but my earning, my take home is just 100,000 naira. Right now, tax is coming. A tax man will actually have to tax that money. How do I invest? Right? So I'm about to answer your questions on this. Okay. So when it has to do with investment, one thing that have really helped me personally is consistency. It's not about how much you have or how much you are willing to invest. It has to do with you having that intention that I want to come out of this rat race. A lot of people are not really ready to come out of that rat race. Yeah, they may tell you they want to be wealthy, but their daily activities, their daily habits show that they are not really ready for wealth building. So it doesn't have to do with if I invest 1,000 naira, how long will it take me to be able to compound that? You have to be consistent. And my mentor told us one day, he said that when it has to do with spending, right, nobody is trained to spend. You just spend, right? But when it has to do with savings or investment, you are trained. You must be trained to be able to do that. Okay, so you must train your mind on investment. You must train your mind on how to save. Okay, when you build that habit, if peradventure in the next 5 years and your earning capacity has increased, probably you are earning 100,000 naira now, and maybe you got promoted in your place of work and your salary increased by 50%, right? Because you have cultivated that habit of saving, let's say 1,000 naira every month, right? When the money increase, you will also increase your investment capacity. So it doesn't matter the level you are right now, whether your salary is 50,000 and you have 4 children, or you have a lot of family member that you respond to, right? You need to cultivate that habit of investing. It doesn't matter, especially when some money comes to you and you are not even expecting the money, right? I will advise you just invest that money, honestly, because you are not expecting that money. That's what I used to tell people in my community. When money unprepared money comes to you, like the money you are not prepared for show up, first thing you need to do is to save 50% of that money. Probably somebody gives you that money and you are not even thinking of it, right? The money just came. What you do is to invest at least 50%, because let's look at it. You are not expecting that money, right? You are not expecting it, right? So what I just need to tell you here is that you need to cultivate the habit of investing. The habit. You see, I said habit, because you already unconsciously you build the habit of spending, right? Every day you will spend, right? So you must build the habit of, okay, if 10,000 naira come to me, I must invest 5,000 or I must invest 3,000, right? Before you know it, this is something that have really worked for me personally, and this is what really helped me to compound my investment, to be able to expand myself, right? So that's it. If you want to learn how to invest in Nigerian stock market, okay, this is what I do for a living. If you want to learn it, you want to build your portfolio, or you want to even book a one-on-one session with me, all right, there's a link in the comment section and also in the description. Click on it and join our community. You love this? Follow me for more.